What's up, everybody? We got my 2020 Honda Grom here. Old lady's been through some These are my KLX 110 ProTaper bars. I bought these before I looped, thinking, oh, I just want some bars. Well, good thing I bought these bars because that looks like dog piss. I'm kind of stoked because it's gonna be like a dirt bike, kinda, you know? So just like that, right? Start disassembling old girl right now. Okay, I'm gonna start by removing these there's two screws here, one there, and if you can see, one on the bottom. It's gonna be a little hard because mine are bent, but this is pretty much just gonna loosen up the controls, which is what we wanna do. It's gonna be kind of hard for you guys to see, I'm sorry. I'll show you after. Mine are a bit harder to do because they're bent, but yours should come out pretty easily. All right, and this is gonna kind of open up like a clamshell. So as you can see, this kind of clamshell is open, and everything kind of just wants to slide right off. As you can see, just like that. The question is, can I get it off? Haha, smart man. Man, dads are so smart, bro. I go, what do you think's a good way to take this off? He goes, have you tried channel locking it? No. Well, that worked. Alright, that's coming out pretty good. I believe these are 8s. Right here. Yeah, these are 8s. They're on there pretty good, so beware. So I'll ask you guys a quick question. Why are you watching this video? Like, obviously you want KLX bars, but you want the feeling of a dirt bike? Are you doing it for stunting as well? What's your reason for going to KLX 110 bars? As you can see right here too, by the way, I saw this on a video. There's a little hole that's for this to grab on. So we're gonna use electrical tape so we don't have to drill into our bars, because that will save it. All right, moving on to the other side now. Same thing. Some screws, same kind of clamshell design. This side's a little bit easier because I didn't fucking destroy it like that side. I guess I fall to the right every time, so good to know. Seeing if we can get it with this. Yep. So there's these 4 center caps. We're just gonna pry these off real quick. There you go, there's one. If you see this, there's 2, 3, there you go. All 4 are off now. I'm gonna put these on the ground so I don't drop them. And then I believe these are an H6. So you really wanna make sure it's in there, right? Also make sure you're unloosen. So like I said, H6. There you go. After you get those 2, it should be pretty loose now. Is that my Grom? Oh yeah, baby. 125 cc's of straight brick. Okay. Pull that out, pull that out. Put these to the side. And then these bars should just, oh, stop grabbing the WD-40. And your nice bent bars are off. Dude, look at that. That's crazy, dude. Perfect 10, rated by Trans World Motocross Magazine. Yeah, Trans World Motocross Magazine, we'll test that out, bud. Feels so strange. So there should go something like that. For sure. I'm gonna definitely try to put my risers on, I think. Alright, I'm gonna go get my risers and we'll give it a shot. I'm not a professional. I don't know if there's a specific way for this to go. I don't think so, but we'll find out. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like, whew, that's actually super fun, dude. I love that. Okay, now that you got it how you want it set, right? We'll put this down in a little bit. But you're gonna try to put the controls on and see if the clutch cable and all that still fits. Make sure it's all lined up. So it looks like we're gonna have to move our clutch cable a little bit. So I'm gonna figure that out real quick and I'll let you guys know what I do. All right, my fellas, it's been a couple days later. Ignore this. Anyways, so I've been testing the bars out with the clutch and all that. And like I told you guys earlier, the clutch had some issues. Actually, I don't know if I mentioned it. I'm sorry. But anyways, like the clutch mounted normal, it had issues. It was like pulling this really tight. So I rerouted it. So I took out the front fascia. Dude, this Waffle music's so annoying. I'm sorry. I disconnected it from all the hangers on here, and I ran it through, straight through the bars, straight through here. I zip tied this just to keep it there. Oh, not tight, but a little bit. And then it's just right down here. I'll show you guys the front real quick. Took it off the hanger down here, but it just chills, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't move. So hopefully this helps. I've seen other people do this. That way you don't have to buy the extended line. If you want, you can buy the extended line. There's like 2-inch and 4-inch extended lines. All good. Hopefully that helps. If you guys saw, the throttle tube has been broken. My dad accidentally broke it. Not a big deal. It's all good. It happens. Anyways, we have to get to the throttle body, which is going to be right over yonder. We're going to take off this little cover real quick. This should come right off. This just slips off like that. I loosen this top nut, not the bottom, because the bottom, hopefully y'all can see. Can you focus, please? The bottom is the one that, you know, sets it. We're gonna adjust the left side nut. I'm gonna take that and loosen it. And then I'm gonna see what it looks like up there. Okay, so be careful because this nut is loose for me. But basically I just took it out of this bracket right here, right? It wedges between the two. And now we can have a bunch of slack. Alright, so highly recommend that you guys loosen it from down there because there's no shot you're going to get this without doing that. We'll just put some on top and then slide that on. Hopefully the bar ends are all good and don't f anything up. That looks sick. Should be good. Gonna do that on the throttle side. We got to be careful because I don't know if you saw it, but the goop wants to come out. So we're not going to put on as much at all on the other side. Make sure throttle's not going crazy. Sick. Alright, my fellas, I'm gonna let this beautiful new bar and grip so we're gonna let these dry probably the whole day or something. I have to go to work anyway. I need to go to bed. It's like 6 a.m. You know, let that happen, and then we'll get back to it. I'll let you guys know how the test ride goes. I'm actually super stoked.